Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. So some people still haven't been able to understand how the Yay bridge works. So I'm going to basically explain the process of transferring your Yay ERC20 to Yay Cardano and vice versa. So first and foremost, I have some Yay ERC20. Let me go into my wallet so that you can see them. Let me scroll down right here. I have to wait a little bit. The internet is a little bit slow. So when it loads, right here I have about 16,065 pieces of Yay ERC20. So what I want to do is I want to send this 16,065 pieces, 16,065 pieces down to the Cardano, blockchain. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to first of all go to my Yoroi wallet. So when I come to Yoroi wallet, I'll click on receive. Then I'll copy my Cardano address. When I copy it, I'll go back to the Yay bridge. So when I come back to the yayswap bridge, I'm going to paste the receiving address. Then I'll click on swap. So when I click on swap, okay, they said amount is too large. So let me see. Let me reduce it to I think 10,000. 10,000 should be okay. So I will be receiving 9,900. So let me click on swap. Good. So I'm going to now copy this ERC20 address. Then I'll send the ERC20 Yay down to that particular address. So let me come into my MetaMask and then I'll go down here. This is the Yay here. So I'm going to click on send. When I click on send, I'm going to paste the address. Gas price estimation field. Okay, they've estimated it now. So I'm going to send them 10,000 Yay. 10,000 Yay. Then I'll click on next. So I'm going to pay about $27 in gas fee. So I'll click on confirm. When I do that, I'm just going to wait for the transaction to show successful. The moment the transaction shows successful, the Yay bridge is going to automatically pick it up. So when it picks it up, it's going to automatically convert the ERC20 Yay down to Cardano Yay. So let's wait a little bit for it to finish the sending. It has sent it successfully. You can see it down here, confirmed transaction, and you can also see it right here. It has successfully sent it, successfully done. So I'll just click on go back now. When I click on go back, I'm just going to go and check my Yoroi address. So let me click on send. Then let me click on this. Okay, let's wait for it because I already had about 5,200 here. So I'm going to wait a little bit. Yeah, so you can see the Yay has come. I now have 15,180 plus the 5,000 plus the 10,000 I just sent. So that's basically the simple process of swapping Yay ERC20 into Yay Cardano. So the same process goes for swapping your Yay Cardano into Yay ERC20. So if you want to swap it, basically you put the amount you want to swap and then you paste the receivers, the Cardano receiver address. Let me go down here. So you paste, no, sorry, not the Cardano receiver address. You paste the ERC20 receiver address. So when I copy this, if I want, I can paste it here. So when I paste it here this way, I can click on swap. So when I click on swap, it's going to give me an address. So I'm going to send the Yay Cardano to this particular address. So I'll copy it and then send the Yay Cardano. So when I copy the address now, for example, I'm not going to go through with the transaction, but let me just show you. So you come down to your receiver address, you paste it there, choose Yay, and then you put an amount. Let's say 1,000. So if you're okay with it, you click on next, and then you send the transaction. When you do it, the bridge is automatically going to see the moment you send it, it's automatically going to see it, and then it's going to perform the transaction automatically for you. So everything is going to just go smoothly. So if this video was knowledgeable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below.